What do wheel spacers do on BMW? Its BMW wheel spacers are made of aluminum. It's sold between the hub assembly and the wheel, pushing the wheels out to increase the distance between the hub assembly and the wheels. When choosing quality wheel spacers for performance upgrade, aluminum types come as priority.
BONOSS wheel spacers are crafted from 7075 T6 and 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles. BONOSS multi-stage hub-centric wheel spacers feature a precisely machined center board that perfectly matches the hub assembly.
The wheel bolts of BONOSS forged BMW wheel spacers are made of forged SCM440 alloy steel, which features high-temperature stress-resistant structure stability with few harmful elements and few surface defects. The forged extended wheel bolts of BONOSS BMW spacers have achieved the ISO standard grade 12.9, which have higher strength than stock wide. BONOSS provides extremely light BMW spacers that are precisely machined with few hollow holes. The hollow-out design of BONOSS forged lateral class wheel spacers is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce the weight and energy consumption.
BONOSS wheel spacers undergo over 73 SGS and tooth testing, ensuring they meet the highest industry standards with precise manufacturing tolerance and rigorous quality control. These spacers offer compromising safety and reliability. Whether you are aiming for a wider stance, better handling, or improved brake clearance, BONOSS wheel spacer provides a perfect solution.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS BMW M3 wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.